Looks good. Thanks, Pete. And this looks good too.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like a picnic.
Going on a picnic, going on a picnic,
Going on a picnic, have some fun.
Yeehaw.
Hey, you know,
Is that a song?
Yes, it is. By the,
Who is that? I don't know.
wasn't Earl and Les, was it?
Who?
Earl
That's
Scruggs?
all right.
They,
We've been talking disco today, and all the youngsters are going, "What's a disco?" Anyway, go ahead.
It goes this way and it goes that way.
We have a little saying, if you boil it, just spoil it. If
Yes.
you grill it, you put thrill into it. I'm throwing away the rule books today.
We're gonna boil it.
Well, you know why? Because people in Wrightstown, people over towards, you know, that Double J area, they all par cook their bratwurst.
Okay.
But they par cook them in beer, and if you don't want to do beer, here's a great way to do it. Here's some, yeah, thank you, hon. Here's some inexpensive tomato juice, and it's probably the easiest thing to do because it's like $1.25. I'm going to throw some onions in there.
Tell me when it's
only
safe to
for
come
flavor.
back.
It's safe, hon.
Okay.
Only for flavor. We're going to throw some onions there. I'm going to throw some peppers in there. I'm going to throw some hot peppers in there.
Ooh.
You're really not going to taste them that much.
Okay.
The bratwurst are...
But just do it for fun, right?
Yeah.
That's all it is. That's all life
If you
is about.
sliced them up, you would probably get a little bit more of that.
with the seeds in
Yeah,
there more.
okay.
Yeah, absolutely
All
right. The bratwurst are raw. People are afraid of raw bratwurst. We
So
do a lot
scared.
of pre-cooked, par-cooked bratwurst, and then they're easier, but they're fine to do. And you can do them on a slower heat if you want to. Direct method of cooking, they come out fine. But I'm going to par-cook these.
fun.
I'm going to par-cook these bratwurst for about 20 minutes. I'm going to get them bubbling away. I'm going to seal them up.
Ooh.
Then we're going to serve them in a fun fashion.
Okay.
Oh la la!
On a Friday, that's
Yeah.
perfect. Fantastic.
Hey, speaking of Friday, today from 10 to 2,
Sure.
we're going to be at Green Bay East and Green Bay West at Festival Foods. We're going to split up.
Yes, we
Oh,
are.
one goes
We're gonna
one way,
split
one goes the other
Yeah,
way.
so
this
Okay.
way, and then one goes this
Come
way.
on inside and
Disco.
see us at Festival
Yes,
Foods.
Festival Foods, okay.
All right. Doing the old traditional bratwurst. Now these are the pre-cooked brats they've got, which
Oh, they
all
are.
I'm going to do
Okay.
is just brown them up
Got it.
a little bit. I remember the days when we used to say we'll never do pre-cooked brats, but we are. I'm going to do basic, the simple brine.
Okay.
Where I've got the onions in here, and then I'm going to use some green peppers, chop them up, and then I'll also put a stick of butter in there.
Ooh.
Add a little bit more nice and juicy on that.
Butter does make things better.
Yes, it is. But anyway, just brown it up. A little fresh kraut. If you can
I like
get that
kraut.
fresh kraut, boy, it works. It makes a lot better flavor and
Okay.
things. It's just really nice and smooth in there. But I'm gonna add a little bit of beer,
Beer,
and once
butter,
those are
kraut.
browned up,
You
You
can't
just
go
don't
wrong.
want to get
Peppers.
dirty today, do you?
You guys are scaring me.
No, come on. Haven't you ever had beer on yourself before?
Boy, something smells
Never.
Boy, it does. Ooh, that does. I like these because you could buy these and you could buy them in a 6-pack and you still got some left over.
All right,
That's
so
what it is.
we're just about out of time there,
We're
Beer
out
Man.
of time.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yes.
tomorrow we're having a great day up at Forestville. It's the first annual Forestville Days.
Ooh.
Yes.
Cherry Delight, Country Ovens. You can go online at Country Ovens and find out all about it. But we're going to be up there from 10 until 4 tomorrow.
See what I'm saying? He's splashing me. 10 to
Oh,
4 tomorrow.
sorry.
Okay,
Yep.
and these guys will be back next hour to serve this all up in a very
I'll put
fun
them in
fashion.
gently. I'll put
Thanks,
these
guys.
I'll put these in gently.
Gently,
There
thank
we
you.
go.
We'll be
There
right
we
back.
go.
You're watching Good Day Wisconsin.